I'm Vishal, and today I will talk about the chapter number 8, How to Make a Habit Irresistible, of the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. The author talks about a term called supernatural stimuli. It is an exaggerated cue for a particular behavior. It is a heightened version of reality which requires a stronger response than usual. Humans are also prone to fall for exaggerated versions of reality. Junk food, for example, drives our reward systems into a frenzy. Even when you know there is abundant food for you, still you get a craving whenever you see it. The craving persists because the brain's reward centers have not changed since years. Television advertisements that are created with a combination of ideas, lighting, professional makeup, and photoshopped edits are examples of supernormal stimuli. All these persuade buyers to grab the product they are watching on the television. They exaggerate features that are naturally attractive to the customers, and they end up having excessive shopping habits. If you want to increase the odds that a particular behavior will occur, then you need to make it attractive. Naturally, it's not possible to transform every habit into a supernormal stimulus, but you can always try to make it more tempting. Scientists can track the precise moment a craving occurs by measuring a neurotransmitter called dopamine. Habits are a dopamine-driven loop. A behavior that is highly habit-forming, like eating junk food, is associated with higher levels of dopamine. Dopamine is released not only when you experience pleasure, but also when you anticipate it. It is the anticipation of a reward that gets you to action. Daydreaming about an upcoming vacation is more enjoyable than actually being on a vacation. Desire is the engine that drives behavior. Every action is taken because of the anticipation that precedes it. It is the craving that leads to response. Temptation bundling is a strategy to make your habits more attractive. It works by linking an action you want to do with an action you need to do. The reward gets associated with the cue and the habit becomes more attractive. You are more likely to find a particular behavior attractive if you get to do one of your favorite things at the same time. You can also combine the habit stacking strategy with the temptation bundling strategy. If you want to read the news, you will have to express more gratitude. If you want to watch sports, you need to make more sales calls. If you want to check Facebook, you need to exercise more. Thus, habit stacking and temptation bundling can help you make a habit irresistible. Behavior change is to make it attractive. The more attractive an opportunity is, the more likely it is to become habit forming. Habits are a dopamine driven feedback loop. When dopamine rises, so does our motivation to act. One way to make our habits more attractive. The strategy is to pair an action you want to do with an action you need to do. With this, we come to the end of this chapter. Thank you.